Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Lenny. Welcome back to the channel. If you guys remember, in the last video we gave up halfway through doing this camber arms there because we couldn't get off the old ones. I just went to Harbor Freight with Eric. Big shout out to Eric, as always. This man's is always by myself when we're doing car stuff to this thing. Look at it, floating. Space coupe. But yeah, so we picked up a ball joint separator and used it to separate the ball joint. And yeah, it took 2 seconds and now it is wiggling loose. We can take out all of these zip ties that we used to keep it on because the old one stripped there. So the actual bolt stripped, and we have the nut somewhere here too. This one won't go on anymore, so good thing we got that out. We got those and we're gonna put them in right now. Alrighty guys, so if you're gonna go ahead and do your camber arms there, go ahead and grab yourself this tool.
Suspension
Yeah,
arm.
exactly. Save yourself some time, especially with this ball joint. So yeah, this thing's a lifesaver. Alrighty guys, finally, after so much pain, this easy part just came out.
Yeah guys, so
and taking over the vlog for today is your boy Andy. So we got these cotter pins here. We're gonna need these, and then also the brand new that apparently disappeared. So we're gonna extend this one to be pretty much matched in length, eyeballed. It's actually pretty close right now, but it just needs a little bit more length. That'll be about -3 or -4 camber on the car because that's how much it was sitting on with this. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, but the only reason is because I'm gonna eventually go get an alignment somewhere, and I really don't want to do it right now. So yeah, let's do it. So installation of this is really simple. Take off the bolt here, slide the rear arm through kind of like this, and we'll be good to go. Alrighty, so we're gonna go ahead and take out this cotter pin. This is the other side now, and I'll show you guys exactly how to use this tool if you don't already know. You literally just wedge this thing with a fork here, this tongue, into where this sits, and then it presses up against the screw from the bottom, just like that. So it pushes up against right here, and it goes, pushes straight up. Easy. And just like that, guys, this thing is out. See, loose, super easy. So yeah, save yourself some time, get that tool and get that thing going. And then really it's just that rear bolt back there. All I have to do is take that out, which is really tedious, but
just take it out.
Just gotta do it. Here is the brand new one by K-Tuned, looking nice. So that bolt is going in now, and then we'll just push this up, and then it'll slide into place there. It'll be perfect. Just taking this thing on a test drive. It is riding super smooth right now. Had to go to AutoZone, pick up some of this stuff. This is the stop leak, the Lucas stuff. We're about to go do an oil change as well, just to make sure this thing's all tight and ready to go for our trip coming up here tonight. And then we're gonna go over to the car meet and hang out with some of the boys and see what's up. But yeah, guys, it's gonna be fucking prime. This thing is driving like no other right now. It is, whew, she sounds good. Bad alignment though. I need to get an alignment at some point, but I kind of want to do the fronts first, the front camber adjustment arms, so I'm gonna have to go ahead and buy those. We are out here at the car meet. Got the Accord. Eric's got the bike. Tom is out here. You already know. That's obnoxious as fuck. Yo, it's my boy. It's my boy Eli. What's good, dog?
What's up, G?
He is Michael.
Shut up, fucking Eli.
He's the reason for every ad.
Who's that? Huh?
Hey, there's a box body right there. Park next to it. Are you trying to get to work or what?
Oh, nice business. You guys come here. Ace, look at your finger out of your mouth.
That's how you know it's real.
No.
$5 a picture?
Yeah.
Damn.
And I want credit.
This is like 60 frames a second. What are we talking here? Like, we're racking up a bill. Wait. Hold on. Sonny Boy went big chassis mount wing? You know, I just picked up my wing deck.
Did you?
I'm about to make custom chassis mount stands.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, dude.
Sure.
Dude, we're twinning.
Dude, big twinsy hour.
Fuck yeah, dude.
I'm gonna go fucking find a place to park.
Yeah, do it. I'd say park next to me, but there's not really room. Yo, did you get this for a steal? Is that why you put this on?
Yeah.
How much?
5.
Okay, that's pretty good.
My whole forearm.
Dude, that's crazy. You need. Yeah. Hi, Mason.
Hi. IT. Oh, okay. Cool. Tech.
Specific, right?
Alright, cool, man.
Yo, guys, we left the meet, but the day is not over yet. We still got some shooting going on in Bellevue now. That's what we got going. Ooh, beautiful. That's my boy. Simon.
We're not very
Doing his
long.
magic over there.
5 seconds. Sorry. Are you leaving? Are you leaving? Hi. Watch out.
Full send. Just go.
Off.
Straight up. Yeah. Savage. So if you guys are wondering how to get those crispy shots, always get your lights on. Whoa. Oh my god, it's bright.
Yeah.
Damn, boy. If you've made it this far in the video, shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button because I have some really cool content coming out pretty soon. I've just done a roof liner install with some... Maybe I should keep that a secret. Hit that sub button so you guys can see that. I also ordered a cold air intake, so we're going to go ahead and put that on the car as well pretty soon here. So... yeah, but if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button, hit that thumbs up. It really helps the channel, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.